tuloy.
Kasi na kami!
Tama ulit.
Saan ka man pumunta, basta tingin mo ang pinakamagandang babae na nakilala mo at itatangi mo sa iyong buhay, walang iba kundi si Camille. At your second song, sing with me. You're the best thing
You're the best thing
that ever happened
that ever happened
to me.
to me.
Iba talaga ito. Second voice.
You say I'm the only one you'll never be without. Now I found you're the only one worth thinking about. Will you write my name in your heart?
Ngayon, masasabi kong natupad na ang isa sa mga ito. Ang maging Mr. Pogi ng buhay mo.
In your heart. The strangers and I.
You repeat after me. Tumayo ka. Ricardo Dalisay. Kapagkat dapat ay laging susuyuin natin ang babae. Di ba? Di ba, Bambi? Kung si Bambi, niligawan si Josie, hinarana, uso pa ang harana nun. Kahit sa Manila o saan man. Sabi mo lang sa kanya, Camille,
Camille,
mahal na mahal kita.
mahal na mahal kita.
Give me G. You are so beautiful to me. You are so beautiful to Jonathan. Can't you see? And everything I long for, everything I'll see. It's your turn.
You are so beautiful to me.
Yun lang naman eh.
I can be myself when I'm with you.
Sa mundong ito, marami akong naging pangarap. Maging basketball player. Makabili ng bahay. Maging Mr. Pogi. Oh my God! At maikasal sa isang napakagandang babae.
I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. The sunset, but there's still a glow. I feel
I still remember the day when we first met. It was a bit raining and you immediately put a cap over my head. Surprisingly, I was very talkative with you. Like we've been friends before and you were just right there, listening, smiling, and laughing.
I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.
your God, Jonathan, my God, your God is a God of love. If you have love, you have God. And if you have God, you have everything.